Big scary plane. Gotta get out of here. Let's get going. Not good. Oh, never mind. He is still here. Get on going. Get in the air. Nice. Now can I just fly before my engine malfunctions? This is a nice flight. Nice, we are in Paris. I see the Eiffel Tower. I'm gonna go get closer to the Eiffel Tower to get a better view of the tower. Let's go. I ain't the fastest plane, but that is alright. Oh, nitrogen monoxide, I'm spinning out of control. Oh, shoot. Hey. Get out of the bank. And the engine's malfunctioned. Oh, nitrogen monoxide. Strong bank. Get out. Nice. AA bounce. I want to land. AA bouncy. Stop the bouncing, please, or nitrogen monoxide. Owie. Not FedEx 80. Nice. No, stop bouncing. I have to deploy the brakes. Nice, we have stopped bouncing. Now let's use the brakes and flaps to slow down. Nice, we have stopped.